Item: SCP-883. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. Access to SCP-883 is limited to Level 2 and over personnel who have been confirmed not to possess allergies to bee stings. All personnel entering the SCP-883 apiary must wear standard beekeeper gloves and hooded suit. All personnel entering SCP-883 itself must be equipped with a safety line attached to one of the metal rods on the northern wall of the apiary. No personnel may venture more than 2 kilometers into SCP-883 without authorization from 2 Level 4 personnel. All personnel planning on venturing more than 2 kilometers into SCP-883 are also required to do so in groups of 2 or more. Do not remove bee or honey specimens from the apiary without prior authorization from Dr. Dart. Description: SCP-883 is a large fixed-frame beehive contained in a wooden shed approximately 3 meters tall, 1 meter wide, and 2 meters deep on the outside. The inside of SCP-883 appears to be much larger than the shed's outer dimensions, with layers of honeycomb on the walls of the hive surrounding passages that extend for at least 8 kilometers from the entrance. The interior of the hive is arranged in a maze-like fashion, although no dead ends have yet been encountered. The bees inside SCP-883 do not match any known species of genus Apis. Most disturbingly, bees found further into SCP-883 appear to be very different from normal honeybees. Bees found more than 1.5 kilometers into SCP-883 possess one pair of wings more than normal honeybees. Bees found more than 2 kilometers in are highly aggressive and possess a toxic sting that has failed to respond to any treatment administered so far. Several specimens recovered from more than 7 kilometers into SCP-883 do not appear to be insects at all. Possessing data expunged. The honey extracted from SCP-883 also varies in composition depending on how far in from the entrance it was retrieved. Honey retrieved from more than 1 kilometer in has mild narcotic effects, and honey retrieved from more than 4 kilometers is not safe for human consumption due to high levels of arsenic. It is not known where the bees get food or water from, nor has it been determined what supplies them with nectar for making their honey.